Hi, my name is Gary F. Trinidad, 28. I am currently studying college at Western Philippines University, Puerto Princesa campus, taking a program of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I noticed that your company is looking for a position of pharmacy assistant as a part-time job. I am hardworking, creative, passionate, and optimistic. I can speak Tagalog, English, and Cagayanan. And also, I am capable of using Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Excel. I am pharmacy assistant with 2 years experience providing excellent customer service and support to pharmacists and patients. I have a aptitude for accurately and efficiently filing prescriptions, stocking shelves, process customers' orders, and handling cash and credit transactions. I really hope to have an interview session with your company. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon in the interview session.